Hi, my name is Dr. Paul Nassif, and I'm answering some video YouTube questions for patients that send us these questions after reviewing our video library. And this patient asked, how can I expect my face to look or age over time after I've had a facelift? Will the face age differently? Great question. First of all, previously, over 15 years ago, patients were coming in usually in their 60s, and there'd be a huge difference after they have a facelift because they're in their 60s and they have a lot of extra laxity. And there's a big change. Now patients are coming in their 40s and having a smaller lift, or what we call I actually call it a Beverly Hills facelift, which is more of a mini lift. It's the use of platelet gel, which is a part of your own blood that helps you heal, and fat grafting. And we will also perform this in telling patients that it's nice to get this procedure around early 40s, even up to the 50s. So what can you expect? I always tell patients that they'll look more arrested, not different. They can look up to 10 years younger. I tell patients to only expect about 70% of how you'll look the first week. You'll be really, really tight, but then just expect 70% of a correction because the elasticity of the skin starts to loosen after you tighten the skin. I tell patients that the neck muscles here, called a platysma, could come back strong because the muscles are always used after 2 years, 5 years, even up to 10 years. But it could come back sooner rather than later. I tell patients that they may need a little touch-up after 5 to 7 years. Now, some patients will get that 70% improvement, but then come back at a year, year and a half later on and say, you know what, let's get now a little bit more improvement for a touch-up. That's rare, but that can happen also. And the whole goal is, how will you look? I want you to look like yourself. I want you to look natural. There's no pulls like this. Everything is more vertical, and we're restoring volume in the face, and whether it's us doing eyebrows, upper eyelid lifts, fat repositioning, fat grafting in the face, facelifts, implants, we want you to look natural. Hope that helps, and thank you very much.